Karikile. And now moving on. Now, Congress leader Ashok Gehlot has made a strong pitch ahead of the Bihar Assembly elections. Gehlot said, and I quote, "This election is not just for Bihar but for the entire country." Gehlot targeted Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, accusing him of tarnishing his own image by switching alliances multiple times over the past 2 decades. He further added that the youth of Bihar want change. Listen in.
बिहार चुनाव खाली बिहार वासियों के लिए नहीं है बल्कि देश के लिए है। जो हालात देश में बन गए हैं, पूरा मुल्क उम्मीद करता बिहार से, क्योंकि बिहार के लोगों का इतिहास शानदार रहा है, राजनीतिक रूप से भी, सामाजिक रूप से भी, सोशल सिक्योरिटी के रूप में भी, गरीबों के लिए भी। और यहाँ के जैन के अंदर राजनीति है तो पूरे देश के अंदर जरूरत है कि हम कामयाब हो, चुनाव जीते। 20 साल से नीतीश कुमार जी बैठे हुए हैं, कई बार पाला बदला भी उन्होंने है, अपनी इमेज खराब करवाई उस व्यक्ति ने। वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर को उम्मीदवार बनते बनते कहाँ आ गए, ये तो उनके सोचने की बात है, अलग बात है। हमें भी दुख होता है इस आदमी के बारे में कि कैसे उन्होंने अपनी राजनीति करी, वो अलग बात है। पर अब रोजगार के लिए युवा बहुत दुखी हैं, वो चाहता बदलाव हो, यहाँ पर बदलाव हो इसलिए जरूरी है कि मैं बिहार वासियों से भी अपील करना चाहूँगा कि आप लोग।
My colleague Anand Singh is joining me with more details. Now, Anand, this is Gehlot's direct attack at Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, and he's accused him of tarnishing his own image. What more can you add to that?
Look, the way in which Ashok Gehlot, the former Rajasthan Chief Minister, today targeted the Nitish Kumar over there, the way in which the Chief Minister has ruled the state for the last 20 years. So he clearly took a swipe at Nitish Kumar and said that people and especially the youths are fed up with Nitish Kumar as he has changed sides number of times in the past. He has also not brought enough opportunities of employment in the state, due to which the youths are angry and people are looking for a change this time as they want development to come in Bihar. So clearly these are the things that Ashok Gehlot mentioned while targeting Nitish Kumar for not doing adequate development in the state in the past 20 years, due to which lakhs of youths are forced to migrate to other states in search of better opportunities. Back to you.
All right, Anand, stay on with me. Now, BJP MP Ravi